stark reminder of the dangers that come with riding a motorcycle. It's essential to always be aware of your surroundings and be prepared for the unexpected. We're going to talk about a recent incident that happened on the highway involving a motorcycle and some cars. Instead of moving over to the left lane to give some space to the cars, the motorcyclist reacted with anger and gave the other drivers the middle finger. Seconds later, the motorcyclist lost control and crashed. Let us learn from this and drive responsibly, keep our emotions in check, and be considerate of others on the road. You'll see a motorcycle rider speeding through the city of Chicago. Despite the busy streets and intersections, the rider is weaving in and out of traffic at high speeds, putting themselves and others in danger. As the rider approaches an intersection, a car is making a turn and can't react in time to avoid a collision. The motorcycle crashes into the car, and the rider is thrown off their bike. Fortunately, the rider quickly stands up and runs to the pavement where a police officer arrives. But the outcome could have been much worse. This kind of reckless behavior not only endangers the rider, but also innocent drivers, passengers, and pedestrians who share the road. We all love the thrill of riding a motorcycle, but it's essential to remember that we share the road with others. In today's video, I'm going to show you what happened when a motorcyclist in a Santa Claus outfit witnessed a hit-and-run incident and pursued the criminal. Let's see what happened next. As the motorcyclist was riding through the streets, he saw a Renault Clio hit a pedestrian who was trying to cross the road. The Clio quickly fled the scene, and the motorcyclist knew he had to act fast. He pursued the Clio and tried to stop it. The driver stopped for a moment, but then quickly drove away when the motorcyclist stepped off his motorcycle.
Désolé le feu rouge, désolé.
The motorcyclist continued to follow the Clio, and it got stuck in traffic for a few seconds.